everyone, this is SheShe coming on to share with you a project share for BeebeeCrafts. I hope you've seen my other video where I unboxed everything and showed you what I received. So I had glitter paper, which I'm going to zoom out some, that I cut this bow with. So it's really pretty and it cut out beautifully. I'll show you my negative pieces, because a lot of times when you get glitter paper, it gets stuck and you just have to keep running it through, but it just cut out fine, no problems at all. So I just wanted to show you that it cut so clean. And this is what I created, my popcorn box with a bow. Alright, so there's the first one. The next one is this popcorn box right here, and I used the glitter paper for the bow as well as the wording, happy birthday. And here's the negative pieces that you can see it cut out just fine, no problems. And the next item I used with the glitter paper was to make this hamburger box or gift box. So I used the glitter paper for the leaves and the word gift, and here's the negative piece for the word gift, and as I said before, no problems at all cutting it out, just beautiful. If you need to see the glitter paper again, just to know about all the colors, I'll just do a rainbow of them that you can see. So hopefully you can see that. And then there's red, the red one. Alright, so that's the glitter paper and my projects that I made with the glitter paper. Next I received these hook rings. They come in all kinds of sizes. I believe you get 100, and maybe there's just like so many per size. So I'll show you what I did with those. Alright, I use them as key ring, you know, the easier way to hook this little part of the key ring on. So that's how I used that one. That was the smallest one. And then I made these key rings, keychain rings, so I used this size right here. So that's how that turned out. So I just did 3, and that's what I used to hook each one, because it's harder to get it through on these the little part where you need to put your keys. So you really do need something for this little gadget to hook if you're doing a keychain. Okay, so there's that. Okay, next I received this big giant roll of gold leaf trim, which I really love. I don't have anything like this, so now I have a ton, and I thought, why not share some with a friend? So I just cut out this piece, wrapped it around, and there you go. So simple. The next thing I did with the leaf trim was use this to decorate my gift card holder. So it turned out really pretty. And then the last item I want to share, I got some little tiny rhinestones. They were really small, so I just put them on a card. So I did these little 2 rhinestones, and then there, and then this is the color part that I, the color scheme of blues, different shades of blue, like dark blue, royal blue, and then like a turquoise. So I used the turquoise. Alright, so that's my share for BeebeeCrafts. Thank you so much, BeebeeCrafts, for contacting me to review your products. I think they're wonderful. If you're interested, I will link that website in the description box below if you want to check them out and pick up some items that I shared today. Alright, take care and have a fabulous day.